I'm going to show you how to create a responsive navbar. So first of all, you have to create a navbar component. So let's just create a navbar component. You can use JS if you are using create React app, but I'm using Byte, so I need to use JSX. So navbar. So navbar has the logo first of all, and it has the navbar items, and the third item will be for the mobile view, the icon. So here we can just say h1 anything logo. I'll just type logo in here. Let's give the link tag. Link tag is similar to the e tag, and just copy this thing a couple of times. Say about contact and maybe sign in. And for this thing, let's import the icon from Foundation, the Sweden library. I'll leave the link below and paste it just above the title. It's done. Now inside of there, in class name, just type fa times. That's all. Let's give it items and give it a nav items, and this will be complete navbar. Alright, this will be like, what do we call, logo? Yes. See, nothing is imported because we have not imported it in app component. So let's import that thing, but before that, let's wrap everything around browser router routes, and finally route. Let's just, for now, let's just call it what do we call, hello. And let's import that bar here. Okay, the times has been imported. Okay, now let's work with the CSS. First of all, navbar. It will be flex, and justify content. It will be space between. Line item center. Okay, for nav items, display will be flex. Give it a padding. No, I think it's good. Nav items and a tag. It's the execution to be none, and color to be black, and just add a padding a little bit, 12 pixel up and down, top bottom, and 15 pixel maybe left right. Yeah, it's much better. You can see it. Yes. And one more thing, we want to hide this button in the desktop view. So this is icons. I can just set icons to be display none. There we go. Okay, now everything looks perfect now. Everything is hello right now, but yeah, you can do that by just changing about contact and sign in inside there. let's create multiple 3 contact about, and this is sign in. Save contact tag about and sign in. So when you click about, you'll move to the about, contact, sign in. Yes, that's all. So now let's do the for mobile view. So before you do for mobile view, let's see if it's in the mobile view. Just define a state, say mobile, and set mobile, use state. It's default at false. And let's create a function that will toggle whenever we press the button, right? It will change it to the normal view, so it will say opposite of whatever the mobile view is, and that will be here, mobile. If it's mobile, then so this, else, so else also, so this. I'll just change, yeah, times, right? Instead of times, I think let's change it also. If it's in the mobile view, we'll have a else snap view. It will have the items, but it will also have more items. That's done. Let's move the CSS and let's use the media query. Screen and max width to be like 700 pixels. Whenever it's less than 700 pixels, it will run this. So first thing first, we will nav item. We will have the display of none because we need to hide it. And items will be visible. Okay. Let's create another media screen and max width of say 700 pixels, same. Now we will target the mob screen, mob items. So the mob items will have the display of flex, and flex direction will be column. The mob items, it will have display of say block, right? And when we click it, so on clickable, and yes, on click, it is toggle, right? When we click it, the thing is here. Now it doesn't look what we intended it to look, so we need to work out on that too. So first of all, the navbar that has surround everything, that need to be a block, display of the block, right? Now you look, this is looking much better, but the sign has come just below down. So to fix that, we need to set this logo to a relative, position of relative. And now when we go to the icons, let's say to the position to absolute of top to 0 and right to be also 0. and now it has just come here. See, it has come here. Still this thing isn't looking that great, so just say align item to be a center. So all you can do is say dot, yeah, it's logo, right? Margin to be 0 and padding to be 0. Logo, okay, not this one, but actually the thing that's inside of it. Logo and this one, margin 0. Now it is looking better, right? It is looking better. What you can do is set this set 12 pixel and right to be also 12 pixel, and yes, it has given the margin. You can use margin too, but I have used this. You can increase the size of it too. Font size to have like 16 pixel. Has it gone up? Maybe 24 pixel. It just go up and up and up, right? Yes. Now I click, but whenever we click this thing, it should flown off. So to do that, just sit here on click. You can use this, or you can put inside of this link. Both of is fine. Just say it toggle. Right. When we click it now, it just goes up to the thing, and our thing is there. The item is always there, right? And this is for the desktop view, and when we run into the mobile view, it just goes up there, right? So that's all for today. I hope you had fun, and see you in my next video.